Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to create a payment link on PayPal. Firstly, log into your PayPal business account, then go to Profile and Profile and Settings. Under Selling Online, select PayPal buttons, then Update. Now create a new button. Select Create a New Button and customize the button type like Buy Now, Donate, etc. and Payment Details. And once created, return to My Saved Buttons, find your button, then click Actions, then View Code. To get the payment link, switch from the website to email and copy the PayPal payment link. This is the link you can share directly for people to pay you. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you guys for watching, and please be sure to like and subscribe for our channel for more tips and tricks like this.